Love8 is a charming couples app designed for partners to stay connected through real-time sharing and playful interactions. It offers location updates, personalized widgets, and even a virtual pet you raise together. Think of it as a pocket-sized relationship companion. What do you get? You get a live location and status, virtual pet interaction, milestone reminders, home screen widgets, new weather alerts, which is a July 2025 update, which shows live weather for your partner's city, plus cute pet butler reminders, which is kind of weird, but hey, maybe kind of fun. The pros include the fact that it's engaging and sweet. The interactive pet countdowns and virtual misuse are amazing. You get fun widget interaction. Users love the novelty of home screen widgets that feel more intimate than a text message. And it's great for long-distance couples. As far as cons, it's feature-gated behind a paywall. Many core goodies like battery info or pets require a premium subscription, which can feel nickel and dimed. There's also technical hiccups. Users report periodic bugs like inaccurate location tracking. Privacy implications. Sharing real-time location and device details may feel invasive in relationships where trust or space is a concern. So Love8 delivers a whimsical, gamified way for couples to feel close, even when apart. With live updates, shared digital pets, milestone reminders, playful widgets, but it leans heavily on subscription content, and glitches can break the enchantment if not addressed. Best for couples who enjoy sweet interactive reminders and playful bonding tools, and skip it if you're privacy conscious or want robust trackers without a cost.